Hello, English learners. How's your day? All good? Did you happen to do something special today? Or maybe you just came back from your daily routines somewhere in the city. Whatever you do, shopping, watching movie, exercising, or cooking, do it wholeheartedly. Remember, happiness can be made by you, yourself. So, are you happy today? Okay then, there is something I will share to you in this video. Of course, it's still about English lesson. And of course, it's important for you to understand. Let's learn about preposition. English has some types of preposition. Two of them are the common preposition of place and preposition of time. Let's learn them in this video. Preposition of place is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. In other words, preposition of place help you to know the location of people, animals, or things around you. So, when you want to explain the location of something around you, don't forget to add preposition of place in your sentence. There are various prepositions of place. The common prepositions are behind, in front of, next to or beside, between, near, above, under or below, in, and on. I'm quite sure you are familiar with them. But how about if you want to explain where you live? Do you say, I live in Jakarta? Or, I live at Jakarta? Take another example when you want to mention the place you want to go. Do you say, I'll go to the convenience store at Bayangkara Street? Or, I'll go to the convenience store on Bayangkara Street? If you think the use of preposition of place is a little bit confusing, watch this video thoroughly so that you can get some understanding of how to use preposition of place properly. Obviously, not all prepositions of place will be discussed in this video. Most of the English learners, based on my experience when teaching them, meet some difficulties to differentiate three types of prepositions. They are preposition on, in, and at. You are going to learn the use of them in this video. Let's begin with preposition on. The first obvious function of this preposition is to tell the position of something. On is used when the things you want to explain is located on the surface. For examples, the surface of bookshelf, table, floor, roof, or even the surface of the wall. My novels are on the bookshelf. His brand new laptop is on the table. You are standing on the wet floor. Watch out! Can you see those birds on the roof? I hang my girlfriend's picture on the wall. Now, let's imagine the surface is bigger than table or floor. Take some examples of streets, roads, and water surfaces. For example, puddle, lake, river, sea, and ocean. You can mention the location of things on those surfaces as well. That young lady sells some fruit on Sudirman Street every Car-Free Day event. I made my shoes wet because I stepped on puddle. Will you dare to do rafting on that river? Why don't we try sailing on the sea? It looks challenging. Preposition of in is clearly used to tell something which is inside a closed space. You can easily find enclosed space around you. Drawer, for example, cupboard, wallet, card box, locker, bottle, bag, and so on. Remember, the thing you want to tell by using this preposition must be inside of something. Go find your cell phone in that drawer. He keeps all credit cards in his wallet. I'm going to keep my dictionary in the locker. What's that in the bottle? Have you put your lunchbox in your bag? The meaning of inside to use preposition in may be in the form of bigger space and bigger area like village, town, region, or even country. Look at these examples. He has become a university student in Surabaya for a couple of years. Were you born in Indonesia? Having a vacation in secluded village could be awesome. Let's take a walk in the downtown. They like to do hiking in Lawu Mountain. The third preposition, that is, preposition at, refers to a specific place or specific point in a map. It is also possible to use at to mention the location of something related to public places, like bookstore, hospital, hotel, restaurant, or city hall. The kids are at bookstore right now. She needs to have a checkup at hospital. We will have workshop at hotel. Let's have a chat at restaurant nearby. Meet your mayor at the city hall. Other than public places, use preposition at to tell the address. He lives at Jalan Patimura number 14. Why don't we have dinner at my house? Next week, I and my family will move at Rainbow Street number 7. For the additional information, preposition of on, in, and at are also used as preposition of time. You can use preposition at with specific time, especially time related to hour. They always go to sleep at 10. His brother always opens his store at 8 in the morning. Can we start meeting at 10:30? Don't you dare to enter that area at midnight. Everyone has recess at noon. When you refer to days or dates, use preposition on. The long-awaited concert will be on Friday. Can you finish this project on Tuesday? I need it. The grand opening of that mall will be on the 1st of December. Did you hear the news? Uncle Ben will come home on the 10th of January. Preposition of time in is possible to be used for months, years, seasons, centuries, lengths of time, and parts of the day. The final exam is in March. That's next month. His memorable performance was happened in 2010. In winter, everyone wears thick jacket to stay warm. Are you sure this machine was invented in the 17th century? Prepare yourself. The bus will be here in 5 minutes. We always wake up early in the morning. Her lovely dog likes to enter her bedroom in the evening. How's your understanding about preposition right now? Is it getting better? I hope so. Everything is easier to master if you keep learning it from time to time. Your perseverance and determination are the keys to improve your understanding about English. Well, that will be all for now. See you again in the next video. Take care and goodbye.